Hey guys, welcome to the Advent and this is Nixon. Today we are going to solve a new problem from Leetcode. It is 258th problem, add digits. Given an integer num, repeatedly add all its digits until the result has only one digit and return it. Let me explain this problem guys. Initially we will be given an integer value. We just want to add the integer value each and every digit. We just want to add each and every digits provided on that integer, and then we have to go on adding each and every digits on that integer, and we have to add for the resultant value also. Let's take this example as our example. They have given 38 as as an input integer. They just add 3 plus 8, they got 11, and then if we add 1 plus 1, we got 2. 2 is a one digit number, so they just return directly. What we are going to do is we just going to use a divisible rule of 9. So like I'll write my first case. Num equal to 0. Then I'm going to return directly, and then what I'm going to do is, if the num value is divisible by 9, I'm just going to return 9 directly, and else I'm just going to return the remainder value. Num, yeah guys, we just want to do like this. It's one of the simplest problem. The main challenge is we just want to run, we cannot able to use any recursion or loop in this problem. We just solve this problem in O of 1 runtime complexity. So this was the main challenging one, but if you think about it, you can able to get the real solutions guys. Yeah, thank you guys, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to the Advent, and if you had any suggestions, please don't hesitate to comment us guys. Thank you guys, bye bye.